In today's video, you're gonna learn one of the easiest ways to make money online. This website that I'm about to show you will pay you up to $20 for each job you do, but there's a catch. People who are too lazy to even watch the whole video won't be able to use it. Since everything in this video is free, if you really want to make money online, you have to follow all of the steps. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. First, let's go to google.com. Second, look for Capterra on Google. Type in CAPTERRA and hit search. Then, open the first page that says Top Software at Capterra Software and Software Reviews. Basically, this site pays you to review apps and software. Now, you don't really have to buy the programs as it's completely optional. You can do the work in less than 2 minutes, and I'll show you how. Here, over 800 categories are available, and there are hundreds of programs in each of about 800 categories of software and apps. You can review every product on the internet and get paid $20 for every 5 minutes of work. Now, if you stay with me, I'll show you how to do that in less than 2 minutes and how to make over $10 repeatedly without buying the program. I'll also show you that this really works and that other people are making money with this website. They have over 1 million verified software ratings, and you can do the math to figure out how much money people made with this platform. Now, you might be wondering why they'd pay you $20 for working for 5 minutes. Well, the person who owns the software or product is willing to spend that much because more 5-star ratings and good feedback show social proof and help them sell more. So for less than 5 minutes of work, you'll get $20. The third step is to click where it says Write a Review. That will then take you to the next page where you can write reviews for thousands of companies and products. When someone wants to buy a program or a digital good, they will probably look it up online to find out more and see what other people have to say about it. Because they are more likely to buy the product if the reviews are good, Capterra is then willing to pay you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below. And if you do, that would be awesome. Without further ado, let's get back to work and earn some cash. As you can see, you can review these popular professional items. These are just a few popular softwares you can review, but there are countless more. Capterra.com offers a lot of opportunities to earn money. Now, if you go to Browse Categories, you'll see thousands of different categories of software that you can open up, with anything from business-related software to customer service software to data collection software to email software, and so on and so forth. Each software review you write will earn you real money. This is why this website has a lot of potential. By the way, comment down below, I am from this country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now, let's say you thought about reviewing QuickBooks. You can save time and effort if you just copy the name of the software before you click on it. Copy the name of the software, then use Google to look for a review of that software. You can look up reviews of QuickBooks online to get an idea. So I can look at this link to see how other people are doing it, what they wrote about it, and how they made their reviews without buying anything. You can change the words to make them your own, as you won't get paid if you just copy and paste them. But their reviews and what they said about the product can give you an idea. This will save you a lot of time and money. The pros and cons depend on how well you understand it. Costly software isn't needed to do simple reviews. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Let me give you an example of how you'll do the review and get paid. So you can get to this page by clicking on Write a Review on Capterra, which I showed you at the beginning of the video. Any company, product, or software can be reviewed. Let's use QuickBooks as an example. Just click on it and you'll be taken to the page where you can write a review. Here, give your name, email address, and other basic information. It'll then ask you questions like how often do you use this software? I'd choose daily or weekly over monthly or other because monthly or other means you're not using the software enough. Who runs this program? The first of 3 steps is that you bought the software, which makes you a user. Click the next button to rate the quality of the software as a whole. Look at the 4.3 star rating to see what other people thought. The response is better the review. If you think the software is good, please give it 5 stars. Check to see if it's simple. You can say 4 or 5 for this or that, but you don't have to. You can also write more things. This is optional, but the more you do, the more money you can make, so just pick some if you don't mind. Then, you'll look at how much similar things cost to see if QuickBooks is too expensive. Then, over here, how likely are you to tell someone else to use this program? I would say 9. Stop here for a moment. I want you to take a deep breath and feel the money flowing your way because things will become better sooner. Before I reveal to you the last tips and tricks, we would like you to smash that like button as well as hit that red subscribe button, and so we will make these dreams come true. Oh, you completed that already? Thank you. And so let's begin the last step in making money online. The last step is to come up with a title for your review. You can get ideas from other reviews. The best accounting software for small businesses is a good example. So I'd say something like QuickBooks has some problems, but it's still the best for small businesses. Now, you don't have to copy and paste the whole title. You can change it a bit. Next, just write down the pros and cons of the software, as well as what you liked best about it. You can get an idea from what other people have said, just change it a little bit. Then, this is optional, so you can leave it blank, but if you fill out this form as well, you have a better chance. You know, the more forms you fill out and the more information you give them, the more money you'll make because more and more people and software owners will accept your review. So try not to leave any of this blank where it says optional. Don't be lazy and it just might pay off. Then, you can decide whether or not to switch from a different product. For instance, you could click yes I did and then say what product you switched from, like Excel. So I can look for the Excel program right here. Then I'll just scroll down and check this box to send this review in. I told Capterra and its affiliates that I am the person I claim to be. Obviously you are if you wrote your real name and last name, so make sure to do that. After that, just click submit and you're done. All of this will take less than 5 minutes, and for just one review, you will get $20. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.